What is the easiest way to earn money online with minimal effort? In order for this approach to qualify as the laziest possible, it must adhere to several standards. First of all, it should not require a person to appear on camera or exert any influence. Adding to that, creating products or managing a course should not be necessary. Ideally, there should be no significant upfront investment required to avoid spending money on ads or inventory. Lastly, the strategy should have a long lifespan to ensure profitability over time. You may be wondering what I mean by that. It simply refers to the idea of completing work once and potentially earning money for years to come. I have discovered a profitable method of making money online that meets all of these requirements, which I will soon share with you. So keep watching to the end of this video, because I will provide you with very helpful websites for making money online in just the perfect way. Keep in mind that earning money fast requires careful consideration. If you are currently watching this, I think you like to use your brain in a smart way, more than using it in hard-working and long-time working when you work. In my view, the most effortless approach to earning money online involves combining a high-paying affiliate product with a highly efficient traffic source. Let us explore this strategy further first. Let me provide you with a detailed set of instructions on how to accomplish this method. The first step involves discovering a correlation between your personal interests and market viability, which is a straightforward process. Just create a Google document and write down everything that interests you. I suggest listing no less than 20 items, which can cover a lot of different things or ideas of entertainment that fascinates you. Secondly, compare this list and compare your list with the items on display and identify any similarities between your list and the list I have shown you, and remove any unrelated items from your list. The second step is to partner with a profitable product that is already finished. Fortunately, many online marketplaces provide access to a portion of the revenue from sales. Some of these websites include Digistore24.com or Clickbank.com, and others that I will show you later in this video, so don't forget to turn on the post notification to be the first one trying the newest methods of making money online with money flow. I'll demonstrate how to practically enroll through these websites rather than just talking about it. Follow these step-by-step instructions to learn how to do it yourself. Now, starting by going to Digistore24.com to advertise a specific item. First of all, sign up to Digistore24 by clicking on Start Now. It's free to sign up. Then provide them your name, email, and password, and select I mainly promote products for other providers. Then click beside I have read the B2B contract and the privacy policy and accept them. Then it will ask for your first name, last name, company, zip code, phone number, and so on, and then verify your account and it's ready to use. Once you verify, it will show this page, so click the Marketplace tab afterwards. Click on My Offers on the Affiliate Marketplace, then up here click on All Offers for Affiliates, then select a category, for example, enter marketing and e-business, and locate a product that costs at least $500, this one for example, and now hit the Promote button. This will generate a unique link that you can use to promote the product, and now focus carefully. I will demonstrate precisely how to use it, so if you're facing any problem using the website, feel free to ask any question that pops into your mind, and be sure MoneyFlow will help you out immediately. This is crucial, because if you sell just 50 of these products, you'll make $250, even if you only get one sale per day, and you'll generate more than $100 per day. Back to our magic link to start using the lazy formula for formulating your ideas. Begin with the magic link. This involves searching for the category you listed in Step 1 on YouTube and identifying the top 3 channels within that category. Then explore their most popular videos by clicking on the Popular Videos button and taking note of their top 10 videos in each channel. Out of the 3 available sources, you can obtain a cumulative of 30 concepts. Take the videos you saved and transcribe them into a Google document using your own phrasing. I personally prefer to save time by playing them at double speed and make sure your scripts are original and authentic, and utilize a tool such as Copyscape to guarantee their uniqueness. If you create a video utilizing your own words and include it in Google Document, I will provide you with clear instructions on how to proceed momentarily. Selecting a subject you are passionate about is advised because you may possess some knowledge or understanding of the matter. To enhance the value you provide to people and increase your earning potential, consider offering additional perks. To begin, the first step is to access Google Slides that comes at no cost, completely free, and include with Google Drive. Create a presentation utilizing by crafting a slideshow out of your script. I highly recommend the slideshow as it has an excellent appearance, so I suggest checking out a website named Flat Icon for your design needs. If you need images, videos, or even some audios and music, you may consider visiting pixabay.com or pexels.com, and they are free to use also. You will find all the links used in this video down in the description below. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below from where are you watching us to provide you with more websites that works worldwide. Back to it. Use OBS to record your screen and voice for free. If you don't feel like presenting, just review your slideshow or hire someone affordably on Fiverr or effortlessly on Upwork. Upload the videos to YouTube and optimize them, then attach the magic link and add them to your description and pinned comments. And now you have a resource that has the ability to provide you with potential earnings for years in the far future. And now let's see how to earn $100 daily, create a schedule, and post 3 videos each week for positive results. Although it's accurate, you simply can do this, and you'll be able to record them all in a day, and truly a fair workday per week doing this. At that point, you essentially transfer them, and you schedule them to go out with YouTube after a year of doing it. You've got 144 recordings on your channel, which means that each video gets 1,000 views per month, and beyond any doubt, 90% of your sightings will come from 10% of your video recordings. That adds up to 144,000 views per month. And in the event that just 0.0004 individuals that observe your channel purchase your program, purchase the item, simply connect to, and I'm attempting to be preservationist here, that's 57 deals per month. And in the event that we take 57 duplicated by $1,000, the cost of the program you're advancing is $57,000 per month. And on the off chance that you get half of that by being a partner accomplice with them, that gives you $28,000 per month. And clearly that's way more than $100 per day. Here are 3 reward tips for doing this to possibly make more with this lazy strategy. And by the way, hit that subscribe button in the event that you've gotten respect from this as of now. With bonus tip number 1 is creating what is called creating a recurring revenue. In order to do this, which I like to refer to as lazy revenue, you look for products that you can promote that have a monthly fee. Typically, these are going to be things like software. As an example of how to do this in practice, consider software that teaches people how to grow on YouTube, that you can promote software like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, and then receive a monthly paycheck once people sign up for it. Now, bonus tip number 2 is using other forms of software to generate your videos. Now, if your category is anything tech-related, you can easily use OBS to record your screen. For instance, the YouTube channel Tech Gumbo does exactly this. It has over 1 million subscribers and almost 2 million monthly viewers, and all it does is post screencasts demonstrating how to use various programs. As you can see, Philosophies for Life is a channel that makes these whiteboard animation movies and has about 1 million followers, and another alternative is to use a program called VideoScribe to generate these for your channel, and they receive over 1 million views each month, which clearly translates to a lot of sales if they're associated with a high-profit item. If you wanted to create animations, you could also check out another program called Animaker. Bonus tip number 3 is to delegate and scale once you start making money. With this, you may relax and be really lazy if you want, which is why employing others to do all the labor that you dislike to do, create videos. If you don't like creating thumbnails or optimizing your movies, get someone to do it for you. Employ those who can accomplish it for you. Here is the procedure when you hire someone else to complete your job for you. I advise hiring someone to complete the tasks you detest performing the most initially. It is possible to hire an idea generator, a writer, a voiceover artist, a video editor, and even a thumbnail creator. You can check out all links used in today's video, and even the channels we took as an example in today's video. You can find them down below in the descriptions. And now let's take a fast look on today's video summary. 1. The most effortless approach to earning money online involves combining a high-paying affiliate product with a highly efficient traffic source. 2. Many online marketplaces provide access to a portion of the revenue from sales. As the website we used, Digister24.com. 3. Creating a recurring revenue. 4. Using other forms of software to generate your videos. And 5. To delegate and scale once you start making money. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to MoneyFlow and hit the like button for more online money-making videos. Check out the last video where you will find the link down there in the descriptions, and you'll be redirected to that video.